Welcome. Today we discuss few problems on vector. The today's first problem is let vector magnitude of vector A is equal to 3. Magnitude of vector B is equal to 4. Magnitude of vector C is equal to 5. 3, 4 and 5, and A dot B plus C is equal to 0 is equal to B dot C plus A is equal to C dot A plus B. All are vectors. A dot B plus C is equal to 0, B dot C plus A 0, and all are 0. Then value of magnitude A plus B plus C is how much? This is the question. Options: 6, 5 root 2, 5 and 4 root 2. From this, A dot B plus C is equal to 0 means A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0 from this. Similarly, from that, B dot C plus B dot A is equal to 0, and from it, C dot A plus C dot B 0. We are given these three things. So it is A dot B plus A dot C. All are vectors. I am not giving sign here. B dot C plus B dot A, it is nothing but A dot B. C dot A, it is C dot A plus B dot C. This C dot B means B dot C. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. A dot C and C dot A, they are equal. Let it be C dot A. Now adding all these three, A dot B 2 times, 2 into A dot B plus B dot C and B dot C, 2 B dot C are there, plus C dot A, C dot A, they together is 0. That is, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Now, moreover, we know that vector A whole square is equal to vector A dot vector A. So, because it is actually magnitude A, magnitude B, A into cos of angle between A and A, which is nothing but 0, but cos 0 is 1. So A dot A, magnitude A square, is equal to A dot A. Now we have to find the value of magnitude of A plus B plus C. Let us start from here. A plus B plus C, that magnitude whole square. Like that, it is equal to A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C is equal to multiplication of this with that is A dot A. Then A dot B plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A plus C dot B plus C dot C. This is nothing but A dot A means magnitude A whole square. This is magnitude B whole square. Plus this is magnitude C whole square. Plus A dot B and B dot A, they together is 2A dot B. Then A dot C and C dot A, they are same and they together is C dot A plus. Next, B dot C and C dot B, they are equal and they together is B dot C. Now magnitude A square is given as it is 3 square, that is 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 25 plus A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A, they together is 0. So this is equal to it is 6 plus 5 1 10 3 50, that is 50. Therefore magnitude A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 50. Therefore magnitude A plus B plus C is equal to root 50, that is it is equal to 25 into 2, so 5 root 2. So that this is our correct answer. Next, so for next problem, just 1 minute. Next problem is, let a vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and B another vector I plus 2j minus 3k. Then unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is options 1 by root over 150 into I plus 10j plus 7k. Then next one is 1 by root 150 I minus 10j plus 7k. Then 1 by 150 I plus 10j minus 7k. I minus 10j minus 7k. These are the options. So actually the problem is very simple. A and B are two given vectors. We have to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both this and that. We know that if we find A cross B, then the vector A cross B is perpendicular to both A and B. After that, we have to find its magnitude and then we can calculate unit vector. So first of all, we calculate A cross B. It is equal to I, J, K. Then component of first vector A, 2, minus 3, 4. Then component of B, 1, 2, minus 3. It is equal to I into 9 minus 8. I. 9 plus 9 minus 8. next plus j into this determinant, that is 4 plus 6 into j plus k into 4 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3 into k. So it is equal to I plus 10j plus 7k. This vector is perpendicular to both this and that. We have to find a unit vector perpendicular to both this and that. So for that purpose, we find its magnitude. So its magnitude is root over of 1 square plus 10 square plus 7 square. It is 100, 49, 50, 100, 150. So required vector is 1 by root 50 into vector is this I plus 10j plus 7k. So first option is our correct option. Next problem is if angle between A is equal to 4i plus 3j minus k and B is equal to 2i minus 6j minus 3k is theta. Given that angle between this vector and that vector is theta, then to obtain sine theta. Sine theta how much? Options 7 by 20, 26, 7 by root 13, 5 by root 13 and 5 by root 26. This question is also very straightforward. Two vectors are given and it is given that angle between them is theta. To find sine theta. If we are asked to find cos theta, then we apply dot product. For sine theta, we have to apply cross product. We know that A cross B is equal to magnitude A, magnitude B, sine theta into magnitude of n. N is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So from there, sine theta can be obtained, but a vector will be there. For that purpose, you apply modulus of this. It is modulus, already modulus. Sine theta is magnitude and its modulus is 1. A cross B, it is actually can be calculated from this. I separately calculate A cross B. It is equal to I, J, K, 4, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 6 minus 3. So that it is equal to minus 9 minus 6 minus 6 into I, then plus it is minus 2 plus 12 j plus minus 24 minus 6 k, so that it is minus 15I plus 10j minus 30k. This is A cross B vector. It is a vector also. So magnitude of A cross B is equal to root over of 15 square plus 10 square plus minus 15 whole square is plus 15 square. It is also minus 30 whole square is 30 square. So that we can calculate it 15 into 15 to 25. To 25. Or rather, you see, we can take 5 square common from after that calculation will be 5 square. If I take common 5 square, it is equal to 5. Then 3 square 9, 2 square, and taking 5 comes 6 square. So that 5 into 40, 40 root 49 is 7. So it is 35. Magnitude AB, A cross B, it is simply 35. That side is 35. Magnitude A can be calculated from there. Root over of 4 square, 16 plus 9 plus 1. Root over 26, 16 plus 9 plus 1, 10. 16 plus 10, it is root over 26. Then it is 4 plus 36, that is 49. Root 49 is 7. So that into sine theta. And magnitude n is a unit vector, its magnitude is 1. So sine theta is equal to 35 and 7 can be cancelled from there, 5 by root 26. This is answer. So option D is correct. Next. Let A, B, C are position vectors of the point capital A, capital B, capital C. A, B, C are position vectors of the point A, B, capital A, capital B, capital C. Then the angle between B cross C, make all vectors, B cross C plus C cross A plus A cross B, and normal to the plane containing A, B, and C is pi by 6, pi by 2, pi by 3, 0. Let us see once again what is the problem. Capital A, B, and C are 3 points in a plane. Their position vectors are this, this, and that. So we have to find the angle between this and normal of the plane containing capital A, capital B and capital C. So suppose A, B and C are these 3 points. A, B and C are 3 points. So AB cross BC, AB vector cross BC, there actually this is a vector and it is perpendicular to the plane containing A, B and C. So AB vector how much? AB vector, position vector of B minus position vector of A. It is B minus A cross BC vector. B means position vector of C minus position vector of B. It is equal to B cross C minus B cross B minus A cross C plus A cross B. They are all vectors. A, B, C, all are vectors. It is equal to B cross C. B cross B, it is 0 because magnitude B into sine of the angle between B and B, which is 0. So sine theta is 0 there. Minus A cross C. Minus A cross C can be written as C cross A and plus A cross B. That is, this is a vector perpendicular to the plane containing A, B and C, and we have to find the angle between B cross C, C cross A and A cross B with the vector which is normal to the plane containing ABC, which is simply this. They are equal. Then two are equal vectors. Therefore, their product must be 0. So 0 is answer. Now, let us see what is our next problem. If A is equal to I plus J plus K, B is equal to 4I plus J plus 3K, and C is equal to 3I plus lambda J plus 3K are coplanar. Given that A, B and C, whose components are given, they are coplanar. We have to find the unknown quantity lambda. Then lambda is equal to what? So options are -4, 4, 3 and -3. We know that if 3 vectors are coplanar, then A, B, C is equal to 0. ABC is nothing but A dot B cross C, or it is actually this 0 is equal to the determinant of what? Component of A, 1, 1, 1. Then component of B, 4, 1, 3. Then component of C, 3, lambda and 3. This is equal to 0. Now simply expand. It is equal to, expand about the first row. It is 3 minus 3 lambda plus 1 into 9 minus 12 plus 1 into 4 lambda minus 3. That is, it is equal to 3. They together is minus 3. 3 and minus 3 cancels. So minus 3. This, I have taken this and that. It is minus 3. This is plus 3, minus 3. And minus 3 lambda plus lambda, 4 lambda. So that it is equal to lambda minus 3. They together is lambda minus 3. So, as per condition, lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. So, lambda is equal to 3. This is correct option. The next problem is A, B, C, D, E, F. Is a regular hexagon. Then the vector AD plus EB is options. AD plus EB. Okay, options are, it is 4AB, 2AB, 3AB, half AB. This is, the problem is, one hexagon is given, A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose this is the hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. We have to find the vector AD plus EB. EB. AD vector and EB vector. Suppose they meet at the point O. And you see, options are all in terms of AB vector. So AB vector is this vector. So AD vector is equal to 2 times AO vector. AD, this is a regular hexagon. So its diagonal, this is a diagonal, this is another diagonal. Diagonal meets at their midpoints. So AD vector is equal to twice of AO vector. Similarly, EB vector, this is another diagonal, it is equal to 2 times OB vector. So AD vector plus EB vector is equal to 2 times AO vector plus OB vector is equal to 2 times AO vector means AO from this to that, then plus O to B. So A to O, O to B, it is nothing but AB vector. So answer is 2 times AB vector. So second option is correct. Next problem is uh, the vectors 2I minus j plus lambda k, comma, next vector is I minus j plus 2k, and third vector is 3I minus 2j plus k are coplanar, then lambda is. Just now, this type of problem we have done it. That this it is actually I am discussing it again this time because it is given. Before that I write the options 1, 0, -1 and 2. So it is given one in IIT MEN 90 and other is Roorkee 92. That's why I am calculating it once again. So here also 3 vectors are coplanar. We know that if they are coplanar, then determinant value of will be 0. Determinant first vector is 2 minus j, 2I minus j plus lambda k. So its component 2 minus 1 lambda. Second one is its component 1 minus 1 and 2. Third component 3 minus 2, 1. They must be 0. And calculation is very simple. This is equal to 2 into, so actually 2 into -1 plus 4. -1 into 6, 6 minus 1 plus lambda into -2 plus 3, so that it is equal to 6. This is equal to 5 minus 5, and this is equal to plus lambda is equal to 1 plus lambda. Hence, lambda 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to -1. So this option is correct. Okay, today is up to that. So I request you, if you feel that this is helpful for you, so please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.